Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Class 11 Computer Science Practical. To begin, ensure you thoroughly understand your syllabus and the specific programming language, usually Python, that you'll be using. Focus on core concepts like data types, operators, and control flow. Regular practice is key, so dedicate time daily to coding exercises and problem solving. This structured approach will build a strong foundation for success. Next, dive deep into the fundamentals of your programming language. For Python, this means mastering its syntax, understanding various data types, and becoming proficient with control structures such as if-else statements and loops. Explore functions to write modular and reusable code. Consistent practice with basic input and output operations will solidify your understanding and prepare you for more complex tasks. Consistent hands-on practice is crucial for practical success. Actively solve all programming problems from your textbook and implement algorithms covered in your classes. Challenge yourself by working on small, independent projects to apply your knowledge creatively. Additionally, leverage online coding platforms to access a wide range of problems and improve your problem-solving speed and accuracy. Finally, prepare for the practical examination by reviewing common questions and practicing writing code on paper, as you might do in an exam setting. Developing strong debugging skills is essential. Learn to identify and fix errors efficiently. Also, understand what to expect during the viva voce, or oral examination, and be ready to explain your code and concepts clearly. This comprehensive preparation will ensure you are fully ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.